presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 XLT Crew Cab. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 217,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.